In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Lloyds Bank user ID. If you've forgotten your user ID, don't worry, this is a common issue and there are a few simple ways to get back on track safely. First, open the Lloyds Bank app on your phone or go to the official Lloyds online banking login page in your browser. If you're using a browser, double check that you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar and that the web address looks correct. If you're using the app, make sure it's the official one from your device's app store and that it's up to date. Starting in the right place helps keep your information secure. On the login screen, look for the link that says "Forgotten your login details" and select it. You'll be guided through a series of prompts to verify your identity. This may include confirming personal details such as your name, date of birth, postcode, or parts of your account information. You might also be asked to receive a one-time code by text or through the app, so keep your phone nearby. Follow each on-screen instruction carefully and only enter information within the official app or website. Remember, Lloyds Bank will never ask for your full password or full card PIN, and you should never share one-time passcodes with anyone else. Another quick way to recover your user ID is to check your original registration materials. When you first signed up, Lloyds likely sent a welcome email or a letter that includes your user ID. Try searching your email inbox for terms like Lloyds Bank registration or user ID, and check any letters you saved from when you opened your account. If you find it, make a secure note of it somewhere safe, such as a reputable password manager. If you still can't find your user ID or the prompts aren't working for you, contact Lloyds Bank directly for assistance. Use the contact number on the back of your bank card or visit the official Lloyds website to find the correct phone number. When you call, they'll ask security questions to confirm it's really you. Keep your key details handy, answer only the questions they ask, and never disclose full passwords or PINs. Once you've recovered your user ID, store it securely. Avoid writing it where others might see it, and consider using a password manager to keep everything organized. That's it. You've learned the safest and easiest ways to recover your Lloyds Bank user ID.